As for this part, I'm sure years ago VideMix figured it out. You better make this with hard plastic and set it on a shaft in here that's metal like that, because you'd want this to break before you'd want your motor and that shaft to bend. That shaft, I doubt, is ever going to bend in case you get something clogged up in here like the dreaded spoon, okay, that we had stuck in there. And that's why they sell these in a 5-pack, because I'm sure, and you can buy them in a 1-pack too, okay, and I'm sure it happens quite often to certain people, okay, depending how often you use your VitaMix. So even if your VitaMix is running good, you might want to just get one of these, okay, because they don't really cost that much. For less than 20 bucks you can get one of those, and then you'll have it on the fly in case you ever need it for Thanksgiving dinner. You're busy doing something and then something happens and you need to replace this, and you just get the other one out of your drawer and voila, you're ready to roll. And as for the spoon, hey, I took my hammer, bent it back, and this had burrs on it. I just filed it off. It's good as new. Good as new. 50-year-old spoon, probably. One of my mother's. Okay, that's it for this time. See ya on the next video. Here's one more thing I wanted to tell you. Are there different sizes of these for different Vitamixes? I don't think so. Well, I say that. I'm thinking they only have one. Most Vitamixes, you don't have to necessarily have a Super 5000. I don't know if they have different models and stuff, but all the ones that I looked at online looked pretty much the same as this. And then actually I saw one that was slightly different, okay? But look at it, and there's pictures on the internet. They'll give you a screenshot of this side and upside down, and the measurements on it and all that kind of stuff, okay? You might want to get an extra one of those, or at least fix the one that's not running very good at your house. All right, there you go. Oh, it's funny too. Oh, there's Motha. As for Motha, you know, I come here, oh, maybe once every 4 or 5 weeks or so to see Motha, do some things around the house for her and stuff. And I came down here. I was only going to be here for like 3 days, three and a half days this time. And I thought, I'm not going to bring my video camera this time. I don't think I'm going to take any nature videos or do anything around her house. Well, it's a good thing I brought my video camera, or I wouldn't be able to bring this VitaMix repair to you. And check out that other video I have, how to make awesome waffles, the most healthy waffles ever made. Okay, I've got that on my channel too, and it's a good thing this time I brought my video camera. Thanks, Motha. And she says hello, by the way. See you next time.